Hello and welcome to WB and we do maths here. And I'm back with another trigonometric question and this is Trigonometric Series. Here's the question. Let A, B, C be three non-zero real numbers such that the equation has two distinct real roots, alpha and beta, such that we have another condition, alpha plus beta is equals to pi by 3. And then we are supposed to find B by A. Okay. We are given that A, B, C belongs to real numbers, non-zero real numbers. So yeah, we have this equation root 3a cos x plus 2b sin x equals to c, and x is between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. And I'm going to divide this equation by a. So we have 3 root 3 cos x by 2b by a sin x is equals to c by a. I did that because we had to find the value of b by a. Also, we are told that alpha and beta are roots of this equation. Alpha and beta satisfy this equation, which means I can substitute alpha or beta in place of x. So I would have two equations. From what I can see, I have this another condition right here. Alpha plus beta is equals to pi by 3. Okay. This can be used, like we can apply sine or cos to this and get something out of that. We can use that. And what I cannot use is this c by a terms. B by a, I kind of need it. And c by a, I don't know what c and a are. There's just some random, like arbitrary values. We have two equations and we have to solve them. And I have many unknowns. So to get rid of as many unknowns we can in one step, I'm going to be subtracting these two equations, which gives me root 3o. So from what I can see, I have this term and this term. We have an identity or a formula, you can say trigonometric formula for these two. We have the identities like cos alpha minus cos beta equals to minus 2 sine alpha plus beta by 2 multiplied by sine alpha minus beta by 2. And sine alpha minus sine beta, like 2 cos alpha plus beta by 2 and sine alpha minus beta by 2. And now if we put those values up here, root 3 times of minus 2 sine alpha minus beta by 2. Yeah, and this equals 0. We have the formula that alpha plus beta is pi by 3. Using that, we would have the whole term. We would have root 3 of minus 2 times of sine pi by 6 sine of alpha minus beta by 2. Okay, and this is equals to 0 again. You can just multiply root 3 inside, which would turn out to be minus 2 root 3 multiplied by sine pi by 6 is nothing but sine 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 multiplied by sine of alpha minus beta by 2 plus 4b by 2 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Multiplying that and the sine alpha minus beta by 2 equals to 0. Now simplifying this, we have minus root 3, oh, sorry, b by a, right? B by a, and this would go for 2 times. So 2 root 3 that side minus root 3 sine alpha minus beta by 2. So this will get cancelled and 2 root 3 b by a alpha minus beta by 2 equals to 0. Taking sine alpha minus beta by 2 common, we have minus root 3 plus 2 root 3 b by a equals to 0. And since this equation is equals to 0, either this has to be 0 or this has to be 0 or both of them have to be 0. And if you can remember, we have this condition that alpha and beta are distinct real roots, distinct roots. So alpha is not equals to beta. And this part, sine alpha minus beta by 2 will only become 0 in this case where alpha is equals to 0, which it is not, which means that this is equals to 0, which gets us to the point that minus root 3 plus 2 root 3 b by a is equals to 0. And if we solve this, we find that b by a is 1 by 2. And there we go. That is our solution. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you on the next one. And you can always comment down if you have a question or any query that you can mail me to my email address that's on my profile. Thank you for watching and have a good one. See you on the next one. Bye bye.